Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to you all in today's third online session of chapter number 5. Now today we are going to do the revision of chapter number 5. And do you remember what is the name of our chapter number 5? The name of our chapter number 5 is The Way the World Looks. In this chapter, we studied about the directions, some sums regarding the dice, and we solved some question answer regarding the map. And the main thing, we studied about the different types of views. So let us begin our today's revision session for semester first exam of chapter number 5. Different types of views. Now you studied that when you see any of the three-dimensional object, you can see that object, you can see that thing from different views. So how many types of views are there? Yes, there are 4 types of views. Which are that? That is the top view, front view, side view and back view. These types of views you already studied in your previous standard as well as in our previous session. Now here what do you want to do? Here you want to draw all the views, all the different views of the car. Now one question arises in your mind that what is the meaning of views? If you see any of the object from the top, then how it looks? That is known as the top view. So see here, which view is this? How you see at which view you are using, then you can see this type of views. Yes, if you stand in front of the car, then you can see this type of view. So this view, that is the front view of car. Another one, if you want to see car and which view you are using to see this car like this? Yes, if you stand above, then you can see this type of views. So if you want to draw any front view, then you want to stand in front of that object. If you see any of the object from the top side, then you can see the top view of any of the object. Now see, this is one. This is the back view. If you stand back side of any of the object, then you can see this type of views. So this is known as the back view. Now this is the side view. If you stand near any of the object in the side, then you can see this type of view. So this is known as the side view. So these all are the 4 different views of the car. Let us see the next one. The next one about the dice. Here you can see this is one image of the dice. Okay. Now, do you remember one magic in the dice is that? What is the magic is that? If you see the opposite side of the dice, if you see the opposite side of the dice, then the sum of the two sides is always 7. So we can say that sum of the opposite side of the dice is 7. Now the question arises in your mind that what is the opposite side? So opposite side of top view. What is the opposite side of top view? That is the bottom. Then opposite side of front view. Opposite side of front view. That is the back view. If you see any of things from the front side, then what is the opposite of front? That is the back. What is the opposite of top? That is the bottom. And left hand side and right hand side, both the side that already opposite sides of each other. For example, if there is number 6 on the top side, if there is number 6 on the top side, then what is the opposite side of top? That is the bottom. So which number at the bottom side? Already we know that the sum of the opposite side is 7. So if there is number 6 on the top side, then in the bottom, which number added you in the 6? Then you are getting number 7. Yes, 1. If there is number 6 on the front side, or we can say on the top side, then the opposite side of number 6, there is number 1. For example, if there is left hand side, there is number 2. If there is number 2 on the left hand side, then which number on the right hand side? How we know that? Yes, one magic is there. The opposite side, the sum of the opposite side of the dice is always 7. So which number added in 2? Then you are getting number 7. Yes, 5. So if there is number 2 in the left hand side, then in the right hand side there is number 7. So there is the sum pair whose sum is 7. Which are that pair? 1 plus 6. If any of the side there is number 1, then on another side there is number 6. And the sum of these both number is 7. If there is 6 on one side, then another side there is number 1. The another pair, that is the 2 plus 5. If in the top side, in the top view there is number 2, then what is the opposite of top? That is the bottom. So which number at the bottom? Yes, number 5. So 2 plus 5, this is the second pair whose sum is 7. And the last one, that is the 3 plus 4. If there is number 3 on one side, then on another side there is number 4. These are the sum pairs which very helpful to you to solve the sums regarding the dice. Let us see the next one. The next one is that which number was on the opposite side of 5? So we know that the sum of the opposite side in a dice is always 7. So if there is number 5 in one side, then which number at the another side? Yes, on another side there is number 2. How it comes? Which number added in 5? Then you are getting number 7. Yes, 2. That is why 2 is the answer. Now see the next one. In picture, which number will be at the bottom? So see in this, there is number 1 in the top side, in the top view. The opposite side of top view is bottom. And here in the top side there is number 1. So which number added in? Which number added in 1? Then you are getting number 7. Yes, that is the 6. So there will be a 6, number 6 in the bottom side of this picture. Another one is, which number will Ghibli C. If she again turns left from the number 5. If she just turn left hand side from number 5, then which number is there? Now Ghibli is on number 4. Then she moves across and turn the left. Now she reached on number 5. Then which number is there? Yes, if she moves towards the left hand side, then there is number 1. Let us see some question answers regarding the direction. How many directions are there? There are total main 4 directions: north, south, east and west. Now see in this picture, the first question is that to which side of Sonu's home is the college? Now here they were asking about that. You have to see the Sonu's home is which side from the college. It is the front side, back side, or it's a left hand side. So the last answer is totally wrong. Which side of Sonu's home is the college? So we can say that the front side of the Sonu's home is the college. So you have to see here Sonu's home and college. These both situated on the front side of each other. Now your second question is that which of the following is nearest to the school? You can see in this image there is one school and they were given 3 options to you. That is the temple. Temple is nearer to school. Sonu's home nearer to school, or the college. Yes, you can see that temple and Sonu's home, these both things the opposite side of the school. If you see the temple and Sonu's home, then these both things situated in the opposite side of the school. So the last one that is the remaining, the answer is college. So we can say that college is nearest to the school. Next one. Again, with the help of this picture, you have to give the answer. Which of the following is farthest from the church? Farthest means it has a long distance from the church. Hospital, temple, or school? Yes, you can see that hospital, that is the back side from the church, temple, that is the opposite side of the church, whereas the school is furthest from the church. So your answer is school. The next question is, which of the following is not in front of the temple? Here they were asking that which thing is that which is not front of the temple? Church, park, or hospital? Which is not front of the temple? Church, park, or hospital? If you see this church and hospital, then these both things in front of the temple, or we can say that in the opposite side of the temple, whereas the park which is situated on the same side of the temple. You can see that the temple and the park with these two things situated on the same side of the road. Whereas the church and hospital, this both is the opposite side. So here they were asking that which of the following is not in front of the temple? So this hospital and church, this both is in the front of the temple, whereas the park situated on the same side of this temple. That's why park is the correct answer. I hope you understand these all things and do more and more practice of this chapter. Thank you.